Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, long time no see. I'm so sorry. I actually stopped doing YouTube a few years ago. I'm sorry for the absence, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. So इस channel पे अब मेरा goal ये है कि मैं सिर्फ review videos ही बनाऊं क्योंकि I get a lot of questions about the stuff that I have or that I get. So I think this will be very helpful for everybody watching me, everybody who has been with me for a few years now. Thank you so much for your friendship and for your support. And anybody who's watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Anmol. You can also call me Annie. And today's video is Myntra review video. So summers आ गए हैं, अब सबके इंडियन एथनिक वेयर बाहर निकलेंगे एंड वी ऑल नो not everybody knows the right way about what to pair with our Indian suits or kurta sets and all. So I specifically personally struggle with handbags to carry with my Indian wear. And I'm an office girly, so I like to experiment with my style every now and then. और मेरा काफी टाइम से मन था ऐसी एक बोहो बैग टाइप्स लेने का जो काइंड ऑफ गुजराती बैग्स जो आते हैं विद पॉम पॉम्स एंड द एम्ब्रॉयडरीज एंड स्टफ. बट मुझे आज तक आई डिड नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन वन. So recently I was scrolling on Myntra to find a nice, cute bag to go with all of my ethnic summer outfits, and I came across this really, really cute bag from a brand called Boho Girl. It's very affordable. It's below 1500. I think the MRP was, let me check. So this is actually listed on Myntra for 1521 currently, but I got it for 1190 with some coupons and some discounts on my account. So it was a great deal, steal deal for sure. And let me now go ahead and show you guys कि मैंने क्या order किया था और कैसा आया. So this is what I ordered. This is what I saw on the website and fell in love with instantly. And now I'll show you what I actually got. So ये package अभी 3-4 दिन पहले deliver हुआ. I was traveling during that time, so I did open the bag, but मैंने अभी तक bag खोल के देखा नहीं है क्योंकि I wanted to make a review video on this and share it with all of you. So Myntra की packaging के अंदर कुछ इस तरह का box आया है. So very nicely packed, very sturdy packaging. और इसके अंदर this is in a oh, look at that. Such cute packaging. I love when brands put in effort into their packaging, which is personalized. So this is a very cute pink colored bag. Let's open this. Oh, so they sent a thank you card as well, which is very sweet. Really nice. I mean, Myntra से कुछ भी order करने पे this is the first time कि मुझे इतनी personalized packaging मिल रही है. Good job. Now the time for the final reveal. मैं भी पहली बार ही देख रही हूँ. So this is the bag. This is the size, and it has the brand's tag. Let me remove this. इन्होंने साथ में एक ऐसा लंबा वाला हैंडल भी दिया है जो आप लगा के if you want to carry it on your shoulders. Otherwise, there is this cute handle, really cute. Oh, I think the color combination is such जो हर किसी कलर के आउटफिट के साथ जाएगा. Look at all the pom poms, so damn cute. और इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी बहुत सुंदर है. Cute. What do we call it? Purse tag? Whatever it is, but it looks very cute, very beautiful, very sturdy overall. And I think this is a great option for anyone who wants to try out. This is very sturdy. The fabric is really good. और color combination तो of course बहुत ही सुंदर है. All of these tiny detailings, मतलब इस पे embroidery है बहुत ही सुंदर सी. Plus this cute tag that you get with it जो आप detachable है. So I think आप इसको निकाल भी सकते हो अगर आप चाहो तो, but I think this adds a lot of character to the bag. So अंदर में if you see they have this much of space, which is a good amount of space, and then there is a chain closure here. तो आप इसको आराम से you put your stuff in. और अभी तो ये because I think packed था इसलिए थोड़ा सा ऐसा मुड़ा हुआ है, but once you keep your stuff in it, this will be in proper shape. Look at the cute pom poms. कितनी बहुत ही cute detailing है और very pop colors in it. इसमें और भी colors available है. I think they have aqua color, they have black, they have off-white, and they also have pink. I'm gonna link the product in the description of this video, so if any of you guys want to buy or check it out, you guys can definitely go and check it out for yourself. For me, I think this is a great purchase. I can see myself styling this with a lot of, almost all of my ethnic wear, as well as some of my western wear too, you know. अगर किसी आप में से किसी का भी ऐसा थोड़ा सा बोहो गर्ल मतलब you know बोहो स्टाइल है, then I'm sure you guys can pair this with a lot of other outfits. Like in summers we all love to wear long skirts, white shirts and all, so उसके साथ भी ये बैग बहुत अच्छा जाए. I think आप डेनिम्स के साथ भी इसको बहुत अच्छे से स्टाइल कर सकते हो. This is a statement accessory, I would say. So I think we can make use of it with a lot of outfits. So let's just see how much stuff does this fit. क्योंकि मैंने तो इसको लिया है mostly office use के लिए ही. Summers में I love wearing suits. तो मेरा तो पर्पस वही था. When it comes to casual styling, I don't go out a lot, so I'm gonna make the best of this bag in my office use only. There's a small pouch inside this as well, if you guys can see, and इसमें भी आप अपनी छोटी छोटी चीजें रख सकते हो, जैसे मैं सेफ्टी पिन्स, क्लिप्स, छोटे क्लचर्स, फर्स्ट एड की कुछ चीजें जैसे बैंडेड्स, टिश्यूज, व्हाटएवर, वो आप इसके अंदर रख सकते हो ताकि वो थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रहे. एंड इसके अंदर बैग में एक ही कंपार्टमेंट है जो कि काफी अच्छा है. I mean काफी स्पेशियस है. आई थिंक आप इसमें आराम से अपना डेली जो भी आप अपने हैंड बैग में कैरी करते हो, लाइक यू कैन इजीली फिट अ स्मॉल वाटर बॉटल इन दिस, अ स्मॉल नोटबुक, your perfume, sanitizer, whatever. I mean, medium size bag hai, and this has a lot of space inside, so you can fit a lot of things in here. All in all, I really like this. और इसके साथ जो ये लंबा वाला हैंडल आया है ये भी काफी अच्छा है. Although I'm gonna carry it like this only, ऐसे, not with the longer handle, but yeah, they have given that option if anyone wants to use this as a shoulder bag, किसी को shoulder पे अगर carry करना हो तो. So yeah, I'm really happy with the purchase. I think it's a success, and I can definitely recommend this to you guys too. As I said, quality is amazing. और इसकी जो चेन की क्वालिटी है ये भी काफी अच्छी है, बहुत इजीली क्लोज हो रही है और काफी स्टर्डी सा चेन है. सो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोना ब्रेक एनी टाइम सून. एंड ऑल्सो आई जस्ट नोटिस दे ऑल्सो हैव अ स्मॉल पाउच हियर, सो पीपल who want to keep something very handy वो इस छोटे पाउच को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. लाइक यू कैन सी ये इतना बड़ा पाउच है. आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल बाय मेट्रो फॉर वर्क, तो मैं ऐसे बैग्स ढूंढती थी जिसके पीछे में छोटा सा कंपार्टमेंट हो जिसमें मैं अपना मेट्रो कार्ड और ऐसी कुछ चीजें रख सकूं ताकि वो इजीली एक्सेसिबल हो. सो या, इफ यू गाइज वांट टू कीप एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट, यू नो, बस हाथ डालो जो बहुत ही इजीली आप निकाल सको बैग से विदाउट गोइंग थ्रू द हैसल ऑफ ओपनिंग द चेन एंड ऑल, तो आप डेफिनेटली इस कंपार्टमेंट को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. I would give this bag 9 out of 10, not 10 out of 10, because मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये शायद थोड़ा सा और बड़ा होगा, but ये size भी works for me. This should give you a good idea of how big the bag is and if this will be a fit for you or not. But when it comes to the style, when it comes to the quality, when it comes to the design, when it comes to these cute little pom-poms on it, I love this bag. I love this purchase. I'll also share some pictures on my Instagram when I end up styling this or using this bag anytime soon. So जब भी मैं इस bag को use करूँगी, I will put pictures on my Instagram for you guys to see how it actually looks when styled with a proper outfit and stuff. So I think that should help you guys as well. But all in all, it's a good buy and I don't regret it and I definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna keep it here, Kyuki, you know, such a beautiful little piece of art. So thank you so much for watching this video. As I said, मैं इस bag के link description में डाल दूँगी. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna give this channel my all moving forward. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इस channel पे और भी different review videos लाऊँ for different kind of things and it'll not be focused just on clothes or bags or shoes. Anything I order for myself, I think I'll take some time out and make a review video for it and share it with all of you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And I promise I'm not gonna be an absentee anymore. I'm gonna revive this channel for sure and I'm gonna come up with a lot more interesting and nice videos for you guys. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. Bye!